Alright guys, we got another video here for y'all. This is the JL Audio Stealthbox for the Tundra. They make stealth boxes for all types of vehicles that are vehicle specific. They fit perfectly. As you can see, we have an under storage compartment here for the Tundra. But this is used to store stuff like straps, and harnesses and stuff like that. The beauty of this stealth box is not only does it come with two TW3 10-inch subwoofers, but it allows you to install it back here, which I already have two JL Audio 8-inch micro subs, which fit perfectly snug back there. So basically we're getting more with the same amount of space. This is a sealed enclosure. The JL's 8-inch micro subs, which sound great, by the way, don't get me wrong, they sound great, but this is a sealed box, and so we're gonna put that in and we're gonna see what it looks like. Guys, if you're working on a Tundra, you have to remove these bolts, 17mm bolts. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's for the 2-seater, and the 3rd seat over there has also 4 bolts. So let's remove this and show you what the subs look like back there right now. All right guys, these are the 2 JL Audio micro subs. As you can see, it still has a little room in the middle, but they fit perfectly. There was a little bit of rubbing here. The grill's kind of pushed in, unfortunately. I'm not liking that. But that's from the seat lifting up and down. Hopefully we don't have that issue, because these are specifically made for the Tundra. Now, not to say that these did not sound good. They just don't get down as low as the 10 or 12s. But these are great subs, guys. If you're looking for something that doesn't take a lot of space up, I liked it so much I ended up buying another one. It really complements the bass and the mid bass real well. It blends really well with the speakers. But I'm used to sealed enclosures. I'm gonna go with sealed enclosure on this one, but they do sound good and they do get loud. Obviously they're not a 12, but they're pretty darn good. But I've already tested these out. As a matter of fact, I'm still using an RD500-1 or /1 to power these up. We'll eventually upgrade, but both of these together, these are each 4 ohm, but when you put them in parallel to the sub, it gives you a 2 ohm load for 500 watts. So these are 250 a piece, which is exactly what you need. 500 watts for this. This is 800 watts, so we're a little underpowered, but they still bang. It sounds really clean. So let me get it installed and we can test this. If y'all want, post a comment down below. I can test these out as well, but it's going to rain, so I'm trying to hurry this video up, because I've had this sitting in the back seat just back there. So let me get that installed and then I'll test it out. All right guys, so I've got the Stealthbox semi-installed here. I got the seat down, as you can see, no clearance issues. It fits like a glove. I have some sound treatment on the back of this panel here, so if you have a Tundra, you might want to put some Dynamat or Kill Mat or whatever you can find. I tried to put some of this foam, but it is just not very good. You place it wrong, you try to pull it and re-stick it, it just tears apart. So not a big fan of it. I'm just gonna leave it off for now, and if I get rattling issues, well, then I'll come back and sound treatment the back. But most Tundras don't even have sound treatment, and they have this installed, and from what I've read on the reviews, they haven't had any issues. So let me just try to finish up putting the other seat, and then we'll give it a test.